Wie ist es in Chicago?
Wie ist es in Chicago? It's easy for you. Guten Tag. Every small step brings you closer to fluency. Wie? Where is wie? Here. Wie. Ist. Which one is ist? Number 2. The second one is.
Ist.
Ist. Wie ist es in Chicago?
Es.
In.
In.
Yeah. Chicago.
Chicago.
A great city. Super. If you're smiling and learning, that's your cue to subscribe and hit the bell.
Eine Stadt.
Eine Stadt. Piece of cake. They say eine Stadt. Eine Stadt ist T-A-D-T. Eine Stadt. Die Stadt, they say, and eine Stadt. Ja.
Kommst du aus Deutschland?
Kommst du aus Deutschland? This is a good question. Kommst du aus Deutschland? D-E-U-T-S-C-H Land. Question mark. Yes. Kommst du aus Deutschland? And what's the meaning of that? Yeah. Do you come from Germany? Nice.
Ist Wien teuer?
Ist Wien teuer? Is Wien? Yeah, Wien is Vienna. Yeah, you remember. Very good. Teuer. Exciting? No. You remember. Expensive. Is Vienna expensive? Yeah, it's an expensive city. Yeah, amazing. You're learning it. You have done it already. Very good.
Ist Kanada klein?
Ist Canada klein? Write this in English. Is Canada? Yeah, Canada. They say Canada. Klein? Easy. Small, yeah. Is Canada small? Ist Canada klein? No, it's a big country. Es ist groß. Sehr gut. I hope you enjoyed this step. Until next time, bis bald.